What up, everyone? Welcome back to iTrustStream, and happy, what is it? What day is it? I don't even know what day it is these days. It is Wednesday. Brand new content here on iTrustStream, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on this Plex series, and comment below the progress on your guys' own Plex setup. Today we're talking about Plex and if you should even get started with Plex. With how the applications have been going lately, a lot of inconsistency, a lot of servers getting overloaded, real bread going up and down, and also a lot of companies going down, like rest in peace, Bacon Feet. A lot of free applications are still available, but it's also inconsistent. The reason why we wanted to start talking about Plex, you can customize all of your own TV shows and categories. You can get pretty much any movie that's on any scraper app and get it for yourself. If you're someone that has a box of DVDs and wants to keep all your DVDs and be able to access content anywhere in the world, you'd be able to do that also. If you're someone that likes to download, then this is also for you guys too, because you'd be able to take all your files, organize them, and host them on any type of platform. So for today's video, I want to talk about the basics of where you would install Plex. Plex does need to live on a computer or a server of some sort to stay active 24/7 so you can access it. So it does need to be on something. So if I have an expensive iMac and I don't want to use my iMac at 24 hours of the day. I would like to put it to sleep once in a while and also turn it off because I don't want to be overusing my own personal computer. If you have a laptop, you can definitely install it here. Pretty much what you need to know is that these files, your movies and TV shows, do need to live in a directory somewhere on a hard drive, so Plex can pull that information and broadcast it to whatever applications, like your applications to be able to watch it on your phone, your TV, wherever you're watching and accessing Plex. You need to have it somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this into frame real quick, see if I can pull this into frame. You can also host it on your own personal network attached storage. This is what I use, but this can range and can be very expensive. This was about $850 USD, very expensive, but this is a piece of hardware that is turned on 24/7. People have asked, can you install it on an NVIDIA Shield? That's gonna come on a later date, so make sure you comment below. If you guys are NVIDIA Shield users, I will be able to show you later in the series how you are able to set that up on the NVIDIA Shield. But most likely, people don't want to sacrifice one of their PCs. If you do want to have your PC or your home computer turned on in 24/7, then you're already on to the next step by installing Plex. So make sure to go over to plex.tv and you'll be able to get started and download Plex to get started. For a lot of people, they don't want to sacrifice the device and it being turned on 24/7. So if you don't want it on a computer or sacrifice one of your home devices so you're not getting in trouble downloading, the next best option is going to be an active SeedBox. A SeedBox is a server that is going to be in the cloud to where you would pay and access it remotely. So that's gonna bring up today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by SeedBox. SeedBox is a great platform for you to be able to start your very first Plex setup. SeedBox has a variety of different servers that are on 24/7, 365 days a year, and they have a really good customer service to where if you have any questions about installing applications, they have a great customer service. So go down to the link inside of my description, look for SeedBox, click that link and go ahead and get signed up, because in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to set everything up. So if you want to follow along in this series of how you're able to get unlimited TV shows, unlimited movies, and be able to customize it fully to the max, if you want to be able to follow along step by step and be able to learn how you can set up your television shows to be downloaded instantly every single day, remotely, you don't want to miss out on this series, so go down to the link in the description. Your first step is go ahead and getting set up. I'm going to show you here on the site different price points and what you're looking for. You can start off with something cheap, but I'm just going to let you guys know when you guys go down to the cheap and robust plans, Plex is not included. I'm going to let you guys know right now that these are the most cost-efficient plans, and the prices do change. I'm going to switch that to USD. And you can, the prices do change. They just show you the prices when buying in bulk. So the other pro streaming plans, these have the GPU accelerated Plex, Jellyfin, and also NB. This is gonna be for performance. Having an accelerated GPU will make your experience with Plex and accessing your content super fast, but you're gonna have to sacrifice space. If you're planning on making your Plex really big, you're gonna run out of 500 gigabytes pretty fast, and also this is about equivalent to about 2 terabytes. Using 2 terabytes for television shows is not going to be enough for you guys if you're planning on doing all of your favorite television shows. For movies, this is going to be great, but for TV shows, there's so many episodes and so many different seasons, you're going to blow through this 2 terabytes pretty fast. Is looking over at the Plex optimized plans. The reason why I suggest the Plex optimized plans is that if you're not planning on sharing with 30 to 50 people, I don't even think that you can even share more than 25 per Plex pass. This is going to be one of your best options. Now, I went ahead and I went to go ahead and install one of these ones, but they were currently sold out. So if you guys can find this one, get it, just due to the fact that it is super popular and they sell out fast. So the next one that I ended up buying for this demonstration was the Lightning Plex. Lightning Plex has 7 to 8 CPU at 20 gigabyte download speeds, 8 terabytes. That is 720 gigabytes of dedicated disk. So that is going to be a great start for TV shows. It's going to be enough space for my most favorite television shows and also movies. Just know that when you download 4K, you're sacrificing space. You're always wanting to shop for an unmetered download because then you don't want to run out of that. And it comes with 50 terabytes worth of upload, and then also your Plex is included. So when you do click on purchase, and then you're going to go ahead and sign up. So guys, if you don't want to start off with that and that is too expensive for you, you guys can go down to the cheaper ones, 2 terabytes, 3 terabytes, 4 terabytes. I say start off with at least 4 terabytes worth of space. That's just my suggestion, but if you guys can't afford it, go over here and click on this one. You're gonna select a username. So remember, when you select your username, that it is something that you will remember, okay? And then also, how did you hear about this? If you go over to other, because you heard it from me. If they do ask who referred you, please let them know that iTrustStream referred, okay? Great staff, great team over there. So this is gonna let you know exactly what's gonna be inside of your package. You're gonna go ahead and press continue, and then you're gonna sign up. So once you do sign up for this, do wait a little bit. It can take within 24 hours. This is why I'm breaking up this series. Once you do get it, so once you get your email, make sure to go ahead and click on the link that they give you. So the link is gonna be cp.ultraseedbox, and this is where you're gonna have your control panel. So once you have your control panel, remember your logins are case sensitive. If you misspell your logins more than 5 times, the panel will lock you out for like a half hour to almost an hour, okay? So don't get locked out. So make sure, I always have mine saved just like that. And I have multiple servers already running. You can see that right here that my disk space is available, my home directory, my disk available, my traffic. So when you do get your server, it's going to look like this. You can see the amount of traffic. You can see how much of the disk is available, and you go down to the installer. So in this series, guys, I want you to I'm not going to show you guys how to install these on this episode. I'm going to show you how to get this all installed on the next episode. So make sure to keep the post notifications on, because this is going to be an awesome series. So applications like this, you're gonna see you can install NB. Jacket is a great way for proxy servers. It's gonna work with tools like Sonar and Radar and Couch Potato. These are my 2 favorite apps right here. So you would have where's Plex? Plex is already installed. So here's my applications that I currently have installed right now. So I have my Plex server, I got my FileBot, I've got a different BitTorrent clients. My favorite is Transmission. Now, applications like Radar and Sonar are, Radar is an independent fork of Sonar. It works automatically with downloading movies. So Radar is gonna be for your movies. So you're gonna get all of your movies from here. And I'm telling you, you're gonna find 720, 1080p, and also 4K content. Also with Sonar is gonna be where you find your episodes. Just to give you guys a little taste of what these applications look like, I'm going to show you Sonar real quick, and these are just television shows that my wife and I watch. Bar Rescue, American Idol, Lego Masters, check them out. Shifting Gears, Wicked Tuna. These are just some that I put on this server for this demonstration. But you'll be able to get your guys' content really quick. This is my NAS server right here. I'm gonna go over to my other server, the one that we're gonna be doing this demonstration on for TV shows. You can see that these were already installed, and also I downloaded a huge list of movies. I have collections over here already started, so you can start your DC Comics. Dude, Plex is freaking sweet. You can go over here and change your background posters to what's suggested. Your backgrounds on the, it's just, everything is super cool. Look at, we got Bloodshot already. Call of the Wild, Way Back, Sonic, down. Dude, there's so much. I'm so excited for this series. So guys, hit the subscribe button, keep that post notification on, because my next video, it's not gonna be Friday. It's gonna be Thursday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday right now, we're gonna have back-to-back content. So make sure, same time tomorrow, stay tuned for the next video, because we're gonna get started on showing you guys exactly how to get this going. So share this with your friends and family, hit the like button for me. So stay tuned for the next video. This is iTrustStream, and until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. We'll see you tomorrow. Later.